Hello all, welcome to Deep Learning with Python course. I am Raju Pujala. I have 10 plus years of experience and I am working as a program manager at Google. So in this video, I'm going to cover about the Colab and I'm going to explain why we have to use the Colab. So first of all, it's up to your choice whether you would like to use the Colab or you'd like to use the Visual Studio Code or the Jupyter Notebook. I personally feel that Colab is like very friendly. All you need is your Gmail account. That's it. So and this is available in the cloud system. So let's see how we can set up our Colab tool. So just go to google.com and search for Colab here. See, in this entire course, I'm going to focus more on the code part rather than the theoretical part. And while writing the code, I'm going to explain like how theoretically it works as well. So basically, in this way, you can learn the things very faster, and also you can understand like how theoretically it works. So I'm here. This is the first step. So click on. If in case if you haven't logged in with your Gmail account, so basically it may ask you to enter your email address and password, and after that you see this page. Click on this plus new notebook here. I'm super excited. So we are going to create our first collab notebook, and here is this one, as simple as it is. So I'm going to name it as like a first setup um, deep learning with Python by Rajiv Pujala, right? So here you can see there is a cell where we can write our code. For example, import sklearn, import um, pandas, etc. And now, if in case if you would like to have some text, you can click on the text here. For example, if you would like to have a title, give one hash, and then like welcome to deep learning Python. So you can see when you're writing over here, you can see like how exactly it is going to be after once you execute this one. So you can click on Shift Enter to execute this one. And if in case if you have small other points, for example, like like in this course, I'm going to cover about deep learning, right? And then click on Shift Enter. You can see there is a nice dot mark over here, and after that it is formatted very nicely. If in case if you want one more, so this is like step one, right? See, if in case if you want to write something inside this step one, so click on enter, click on a tab, give a tab and put hashtag here, step two. See, right? So this step two is under step one. And again, for example, if in case if you're writing some code like import pandas as pd just for your reference, okay. So now this looks like a normal text. Rather than that, if in case if you would like to give a special font to this one, use this special character over here and end with the special character. That's it. Now you can see that now it looks like a bit code one. I mean, though this entire cell is for the texting purpose, basically, I would recommend you to maintain these text cells whenever you are writing the code. So basically, whatever I'm explaining here, I will try to put in this text format, so that whenever you are referring this one, it will be very easy for you to understand. Like, oh, this is what I wrote, or this is how this code works. And now, so we just completed like half of the things. Now let's connect this to the cloud. So click on connect over here. So you can see that it is connecting now. It may take like some 20 to 30 seconds, depends on your internet connection. And let's wait. You can see. And also, I'm not using any Collab Pro membership or something. Basically, it is a free version. So anyone in this world can just go into this and can use this one. Okay, so click on this one and you can see like what all you have. So basically, you are allocated with 12.7 GB of RAM and that 108 GB of hard disk. This is like really good. So if in case if you want to write some, for example, see import pandas as PD, and either you can click on this play button or click on shift enter. I personally prefer like click on shift enter, and you can see that we have successfully imported this one. If in case, so this deep learning is all about the GPUs. If in case if you have, by default this comes with the CPUs, and if you have more neural networks, I mean, don't again worry about what is this neural networks and everything. I'm going to cover all of this in the upcoming videos. But when you are dealing with like large huge data sets actually, so rather than CPUs, it's always better if you go with the GPUs. So how you can get the GPUs, and next to the GPUs is the TPUs. Okay, let's not go to the TPUs, let's stick with the GPUs. So how to get the GPUs? So you can click on the runtime you can click on the runtime over here. Okay, and change runtime type. Because I'm using the free version, so I mean there is this option called T4 GPU which is available. I can click on this one, and I can click on OK. So the runtime, the existing runtime will disconnect, and the new runtime will get connected. But again, if in case if you're having the pro membership, so whenever you request for the GPU, by changing the options here, you will be allocated with the GPU. But as I'm using the free version, and if in case if you're also using the free version, whenever you try to connect to the GPU, sometimes if you're lucky enough you may get the GPU, or else you may not get the GPU. So that's a bad one. But again, if in case if you're very much comfortable, Colab Pro is not that expensive. So we can quickly check it over here. So basically you can go with the Colab Pro if in case if you really want to need the GPUs. And so basically for like $12, like almost like $11.7 per month. So if you convert it into INR, so I'm basically from India, so everything I look in INR. So this may come around like some 1,000 rupees per month, so 12,000 rupees per year. If you can afford, just go ahead with that. So that's all. And now let's go back to here. um, I'm connecting to T4 GPU. Let me see how lucky I am and click on save. Okay, I don't have. Okay, it is trying to connect here. Let's see. It is clearly telling that you are not subscribed. Oh my god. I got a GPU of RAM of 15 GB. This is like so awesome. Guys, believe me, if you execute anything on the CPU, it works good. But if you execute anything on the GPU, it's next level. Okay, keep watching the other videos as well. I'm going to post more and more videos in the upcoming days. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.